Yes. Jump.
Mom, don't want to
You
jump.
don't wanna jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, can you help Mama close the door, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Welcome back
Canon.
to the channel. Papasok sa paaralan itong ating baby girl. So this week, nag-start siyang Friday lang. So Monday, Tuesday, wala na siyang pasok. Ngayon lang, once a week na lang. Say, where are you going, Baba?
School.
School! Good girl. Hindi na yan siya umiiyak. Hindi na yan siya umiiyak. So, see you later, tita.
See you later.
Mwah!
Mwah.
Happy Friday! May ka-date ako today.
Happy Friday.
Oh, kami lang dalawa ni Daddy Mike, guys. Magkahawak kamay. Nandito kami ngayon sa Newstead, malapit sa... This one? Oh, lovely. Malapit sa work ni Daddy Mike, guys. Oh, look, it's very close to you. Yeah? We just dropped our car para sa service. Sa Nissan service place, guys. Diyan, malapit sa work ni Daddy Mike. So, the girls, they're both at school today. So, it means... Oh, and Daddy Mike is having a day off today because diba kahapon nagpabunot ng ngipin. So, he's feeling alright. Are you feeling alright, Daddy? Feeling good? Oh, yeah. He's feeling good for some reason. Yung painkiller na binigay sa kanya ay stronger. So, hindi siya nasasaktan. So, we decided na labas kami today after na may idap yung sasakyan kasi it's not ready until 2 o'clock ng hapon. So, we still have a few hours to kill, Daddy, eh? So, mag-date kami, kakain kami sa labas. Maghahanap pa kami ng mga kainan namin. I will see kung ano pang magawa namin dito, guys. Yeah! Yan yung ating ganap for today. It's so good. It's been a while na nagkaroon kami ng time with Daddy Mike. Perfect timing kasi naka-off din si Daddy Mike. So, actually, hindi ko in-expect na makakasama si Daddy Mike sa akin ngayon kasi nga, akala ko ay lugmok siya ngayon sa bahay kasi nga sa ngipin niya. But for some reason, well, I'm not complaining. He's feeling good, so yeah! Diyan yung office ni Daddy Mike, guys, no? And
as you can see, Jovi's wearing a checkered top, denim shorts, and some shoes, I believe by... Who had them shoes by?
Chanel?
Chanel. With her Chanel bag. Looking hot as fuck.
Daddy with his Mickey Mouse bag.
Daddy's wearing his shoes without shoelaces.
Tignan niya, sapatos. Pinitawanan ko siya, guys. Sabi ko, para mang kinuha mo lang yung sapatos sa, hayhaya ng iba. Tignan nyo, hindi niya nilagay yung kasi, daw, good look daw. Ang tawag.
And he's dressed by Cotton On.
Yeah. Very good, ang tawag, stylish daw, ganyan. O, hindi niya nilagay yung sintas. Tapos yung kanyang, sige, Daddy. Look at me, Daddy. Look at me. Alam niyo ba, pinadala ko ng bag na yan kasi lagyan ng tubig tsaka camera, guys. Daddy Mike and I will just look for a coffee shop. Kape-kape muna kami. Alam niyo ba, guys, I'm so happy kasi I've got, what's that? Oh yeah, I've got my sunnies on at wala akong contact lens. So alam niyo naman, kapag wala akong contact lens, hindi ako nakakakita. But with these sunnies on, I'm actually fine. Well, it's still blurry, pero hindi talaga, it's not too bad kung wala akong sunnies. Kasi I feel like it's too bright for my eyes kapag wala akong sunglasses, guys. Kaya hindi ako pero sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, kasi nga meron naman siya, like guide ko. Hindi ako mababangga, hindi ako mawawala kahit na wala akong glasses. Oh, it's so white, Daddy. I'm having iced chocolate with ice cream. And ito yung binili ko for Daddy Mike. I hope you like it, Daddy. Good one, thank you. Cucumber, mint, apple and mint, I think. Take it up there.
I can't drink out of the straw. Take a little bit out for me.
And I've got banana bread,
Yeah.
toasted with butter.
Yeah, what do you have some more? Have one more so you just know if you like it. Have one more so you know. Like a proper one. Some more. Yeah, you can have the straw. I don't need it. Give it a rating for me.
It's good. I can really taste the mint.
It's good, yeah? Like you can actually taste it, that's good for you.
We've never been here.
This area though, is one of the most cosmetic, injectable fit places you'll see. There's 9 out of 10 people here about the Botox. You watch now, it will cost about 50 minutes for the cost.
Naghihintay lang kami ni Daddy Mike ng Uber, guys, kasi pupunta kami doon sa New Farm Deli for our lunch. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog, but pumunta kami ni Daddy Mike sa TK Maxx. Bumili kami ng something for Ate Paris' birthday this Monday. So, ngayon kami bumili para hindi niya alam. Kasi obviously, it's surprise, diba? Tingnan nyo. Mommy is carrying her shoes now. Tiniil pa more.
Oh, yeah, I was asking the same thing. Yeah, good.
That's good. That's good, man.
How about yourself?
Mate, it's been good. I had 2 wisdom teeth ripped out yesterday,
Oh, yeah.
and I was
Here's our food. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat.
the photo that is on.
Daddy's. Oh my goodness. Bon appetit, guys. Oh my goodness, how big are these? Oh, what's this one, Bob?
Look at pepperonis.
Look at this. Oh, cacciatore.
Cacciatore.
Cacciatore. Like ham, cheese if you want. Tingnan nyo, ang lalaki, guys. Grabe. That's yummy. So, dyan kami kumain, guys. So, meron silang ganito deli sa harapan yung restaurant. So, yung mga gamit nila ay sa kanila talaga. Cool. Ayan, guys. Yung pangalan ng place, natanggal na. It's New Farm Deli. 1975. Happy anniversary, Daddy.
Happy anniversary, Mamu.
It's now 3 o'clock, guys. And we are picking up Ate Paris. Actually, nandito si Daddy Mike kanina. But pinalabas ko na kasi sobrang haba ng linya dito and it's already 3:05. So, naiwan ng ating Louie. Hi! Hi! Dito, dinala namin. Alam niyo ba, guys? Kasi late na kaming nakauwi kanina, di ba? After ng car service. So, nakauwi kami 2:30. So, ano kami, tawag dito si Daddy Mike like felt bad kasi naiwan si Louie doon ng mag-isa for that long. Kaya, ayan. Sinama namin, guys, dito sa sasakyan. Good boy! Good boy! It's alright. It's alright. Mama hold you. Okay? You a good boy? Yeah, right. Daddy just went to pick up Ati. Okay? They'll be back soon. You a good boy? You are, aren't you? Good boy, love. Good boy. Stay there. Just stay there. that? What's that?
Ow!
Take your bag off, Ate.
Hello.
Then,
I want to take my bag off.
How are you, Ate? What's that? What's that? Ikaw, you can sit with Daddy now.
yeah.
Let her sit first, Bob. Who's that? Ate?
Dewey. Dewey's first time coming to pick me up.
Rumbling.
He's not running, but he's walking.
You remember Paris was scared of Paris? Go! Ooh, good job! Good job!
Ready?
You look so
Ready, steady,
Set,
go! Go, Ate!
Ready, set, go! Ready, set, go!
Good job, Louie. Good job. Good job, Ate. Kanina, pumunta kami ng shop na kung saan kami bumili ng pangregalo para kay Ate Paris. Hindi ko rin ipapakita kasi obviously, ano yun sa kanya eh. Tawag dito. Regalo ko sa kanya. Regalo namin sa kanya. So, hindi natin ipapakita. And then, after namin mag-lunch, Daddy Mike, naglakad-lakad kami. Nakapunta kami doon sa isang off shop. So, pumasok kami. Ito nakita ni Daddy. Oh, my, sorry, Daddy. Plain na white shirt. Namili kami doon. Tapos doon na kami nag-Uber papuntang balik sa sasakyan namin. So, bumili din ako nito, guys.
My shoes back, boy.
Ito. European pillowcase. Kasi nagandahan ako dito. Diba? Maganda. And then, what is that? Oh, has he been biting it? And then Daddy Mike chose this one as well for himself. It's one from French Connection. Maganda to siya, navy blue. Mukhang black. Is this black? Why are navy blue?
Navy blue.
And yeah, certain lighting, para siyang black. And then, ito yung... Oh, meron mo pala kayo na. Sana, oh, it's better than good.
I forgot to ask you which glasses do you like better, the black or the brown?
Both. Black, brown. But yeah, you were so ready to come back.
The black or the brown?
And then this one here from Nike. Nagandahan ako dito, guys, kasi kakaiba siya. Nike medium. Tapos sa likuran niya, merong ganyan, Air Force One. And then may isa for me is this one. May tag pa siya, guys. Oh, brand new pa siya ba? May tag. Ano siya? Denim crop. Ano tawag dito eh? Tube top. Designed in Sydney, made in China. Dazi? Yan yung kanyang brand. And got this one for 8 ata to or 12. O si B, magkasya mo, B. Size 8 nga talaga ako. May mga damit kasi na size 8 na maliit. May size 8 din na small yung pagka gawa. Dali, I saw Celine dali.
Is this okay?
Yeah. It's okay, she's playing. Maganda to siya. Si Daddy Mike tayo nag-push na bilhin to, guys, kasi nagustuhan lang niya. Very nice pala to siya. Oh, tapos sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung ano yung papares ko dito. Sabi niya, you can wear, ano daw, siya pa yung white shorts or white skirts, denim skirt din daw. Siya pa yung nagsabi, ha? Ikaw na talaga, Daddy Mike. Ah, ganyan siya. Nice. Suotin natin to sa weekend.
A few moments later.
Galini! We just picked up. Wow, this way. So we came to pick up Lini, guys. Naglakad kami. And we
What church is gone?
brought her, scooter. Careful, please. So her and ate lang din ride the scooter.
This Papa's mom.
Yeah, that's mommy.
This
Slide down.
Papa mommy.
Ah, careful, Ling Ling. Sabi ng teacher na, she had a good day, very good day. What were you eating lang? Curry sausage? Oh my goodness, that's so yummy.
No, really.
Was it sausage?
Yeah.
Oh wow, was it yum? Careful, please.
Sausage is my favorite.
Yeah, I know, right? Not when you were little, like Celine. You wouldn't eat anything when you were Celine's age. Come on, it's okay, keep going. Nah, careful lang, Christmas card. Which one?
Because there's fun. Oh, the cause fun.
Ling Ling, how's your day?
Good.
Good.
Mommy. Where's me, Mom? Where's me?
Okay, here you go. Show Tita and Tito. Wow, leaning the scooter home. Good girl. Very fast.
Good girl, Ian.
Oh, I'll show you.
Wow.
Lady!
What about the ones?
How about Ate?
Oh, Lini's going again! When you finish, wait till you swallow and then I'm going to give you Ati.
Yum yum.
My good big girls.
Big girls.
Your daddy's fighting.
Yeah.
He's fighting. You're the purple.
I did not.
You did a purple.
You're the purple. Now she get her
Her
purple.
boyfriend.
I'm going to do this other one.
Eat it off. Eat it off.
Paris, sit down properly lang.
Good girl, Lin.
Yay!
Lady!
I'm a potato.
Ate, come on, your turn.
Wala ka na din.
Huh?
That's so killer. Dami siya sa'yo na.
Hoy! Come on, Lini, Ate's turn. Oh.
Mama.
Oh my goodness.
I want
That's
your
such a
mom.
good girl. Your mom?
That's enough, yeah, that's enough, mommy.
Okay. Okay, Jimmy just finished that one. How about you, Ate?
I have to eat more sausage next after she's finished the cauliflower. Oh, I'm so tired.
Aisha. We just started eating. He's sleepy.
Paris. What's your favorite thing? What's your favorite activity at school today?
Activity, art. Art. At ice.
Art.
And the other one to the oval. I got it! I
You did it! Lady! No.
You went to the oval? For what?
Celebrating. Yeah. Celebrating,
Ling Ling.
celebrating the, you know what? because it got broken, and then now it's fixed up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's right. Does it look nice, huh?
Yeah. We have some bubbles to play.
It's the one in the back, yeah?
Ganda, my friend went up.
How about a Louie? Are you full now, Louie? Ay, chuchoy, maligid-ligid ayan, oy. Maligid-ligid ayan, oy. Baby. Kiki. Ay, kiki.
Before we watch a movie,
Kiki.
clean
Boop, 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 boop.
wipe the floor.
Boop, 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 boop. Yay! Yay!
You want more?
Good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy? You love tickles, don't you? Tickle, 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 tickle.
He doesn't laugh at all.